You want a shout out? Give
Not
yourself
anymore.
a shout out.
A shout out to myself at Dom Zam. Hold on. Give me a sec. So, follow me.
Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a minute since I made a video. I actually decided to take a break for a little bit because my summer job started up and there's a lot more hours than my previous job. And then when I wasn't at work, I was hanging out with friends and I wasn't filming a whole lot. But I'm back now and excuse you. Anyways, this video is just a few clips that I got while I was hanging out with friends for this past month or so. Thank you guys for being back. I'm excited to be making videos again, and hopefully I'll have another one for you guys next Wednesday. I just told Dom to shut his ass up when we were in this argument, and then I asked him if he'd kindly pay for Taco Bell for me. Oh shit.
Oh, guys, be careful. I thought it just...
Expelliarmus!
Oh my god.
You say you about to join the YouTube career too, bro?
I might, you'll see. Hey, I do have a channel though.
Hey, I'll link that below in the description right here.
Good looks.
Right there. Right there. My foot's asleep. Step on it, Josh. That was a yes.
I wasn't trying to like...
Break my foot or nothing?
I wasn't trying to actually step on the foot.
This man.
Yeah. I'm gonna smack this divider. Bro, why'd you slow down? Come on. Oh, I missed. I got really scared, to be honest.
I know.
Alright, here we go. Attempt 2. Holy shit, I'm really actually scared. I'm really, really scared. Oh, I missed. It was too far away. It was too far away. I think so, yeah. There we go. Oh, you're going really fast. Holy shit. Oh, I missed again. Yeah, I gotta take on my... Oh, fuck.
Hey, you gotta hit this one.
Okay. Well, we're at a complete standstill now. Ow! Jesus! That shit hurt!
How much?
That was like an 8.
Is your hand like
Out of
fucked?
12.
Is your hand like
No, it's really dirty though.
Left cheek.
We're out here chilling at Josh's house. Josh and Neil and Ben are out here playing Minecraft, and we were listening to music. And Ben says, bro, turn the music down. I can't hear the Minecraft. That's it for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it down below and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. This week's shout out goes to Leah. Thank you so much for watching. She's subscribed, she watches the videos. If you want a shout out, make sure to DM me. All my social media will be linked in the description below. And I'll see you next Wednesday with another video.